Hi children, good afternoon. Yesterday question 10th one. So today once again I repeat that one. 10.3 exercise. By splitting the following figures into rectangles, find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Okay, first one I explained yesterday. First we have to make square rectangle perfectly. After you have to correct measurement you have to take and find the area of square and rectangle, that complete figure. After add all areas, you get complete area of the area of this figure. Understand? So beat one, see here children, you have to make rectangles all and correct measurement you have to take and find the area of particular rectangles, and last total area means you have to add all areas, all rectangle area, you get complete area of this figure. Understand? Okay. See here children, 11th question. Split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. The measures are given in centimeters. Okay. They are given measurements. First one, we have to make rectangles. They given measurements and you have put naming. After particular areas rectangle you have to take, and first one and second one both areas you have to find, and after add both rectangle areas you get lastly total area of this figure. Okay, next beat one, see here children, you have to make all squares are there. Okay, 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 square. Okay, first you have to find the one square area. Okay, one square area, because of all areas, all squares having same measurement. So first you have to find the one square area. After you have to multiply 5. Okay, because of 1 2 3 4 5 squares are there. So lastly you have to get total area of this whole figure. Understand? Okay, sheet 1, see here children, make here draw one line, separate one rectangle and second one, two rectangles form. Okay, so first you have to find this area of this figure. After you have to put A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this. We have to put naming, and after you have to find the area of first rectangle and second rectangle. Lastly you have to get total area of this figure. Understand? Correct measurement you have to take and solve. Okay, next, see here children, 12th question. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to fit in a rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively 100 centimeter and 100 centimeter and 144 centimeter, and B1 70 centimeter and 36 centimeter. So first one I solved, first 8th one. First you have to find the area of rectangle, and next area of the region, and after you have to find the one tile area of the one tile. Okay, Next, how many tiles you required? So, lastly, tiles required equal to area of the region divided by of tile. Understand? See here children, first area of the region. Area of region. This region is like rectangle, so length into breadth. First one 8 one this one, 100 into 144, 14,400 centimeter square. Okay, area of one tile. Area of tile equal to length into breadth equal to 12 into 5. 12 5 is 60 centimeter square. Okay, next. Required tiles. Required tiles equal to area of region divided by area of tile. Okay, next 14,400 divided by 60. 0 0 get cancelled. 6 ones are 6 twos are and 6 fours are and 0 as it is. 240 tiles required. Understand? 240 tiles required. Understand 8th one question? Okay. Same like that only solve this beat one. This is homework. Okay. This complete today. Today completed this lesson mensuration and tomorrow I am going to explain algebra. So first you have to today only complete this lesson. Notes also. Notes compulsory. So you have to write today only, complete today only. Okay. If any doubt, ask me in this lesson mensuration. Okay. Thank you.